Do you love pink lemonade? Well, why not have it in your bath? I'll show you how to make pink lemonade bath salts. Keep watching. Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of LuckyDogCreations. So what all goes into the pink lemonade bath salts? 1/2 cup Himalayan pink salt, 3/4 cup Dead Sea salt, 3/4 cup Epsom salt, 1 pack pink lemonade drink mix, and generally I would have used pink lemonade koolaid, unsweetened. They didn't have any at the store when I went to pick it up, and then you would of course use a little bit of sugar to go with it. This is artificially sweetened. It's sugar-free, but it is sweetened, so I won't have to add any sugar to it. And if you want a little bit more lemon smell, you can add a few drops of lemon essential oil. So let's get started, shall we? All right, so you want to go ahead and add your 1/2 cup Himalayan pink salt, your 3/4 cup Epsom salt, your 3/4 cup Dead Sea salt, and then go ahead, take a whisk, and mix it around. Now this is going to be the bath salt base. Anytime you make bath salts, this is the best base to use. It is very, very healthy for you, and I will put the benefits down below. And next we'll go ahead and take our pink lemonade drink mix packet and dump that in there and mix that up. And I'm going to go ahead and smell it to see if I want to add the lemon essential oil or not. Okay, so it does have a slight lemonade smell. I am going to add about 5 drops of the lemon essential oil. And make sure that is fully incorporated. Now you want to make sure it is a lemon essential oil and not the lemongrass. The lemongrass to me smells like lemon pledge. A lot of people like it, but I don't think it would smell like pink lemonade if you added that. And that is all there is to it. We'll go ahead and put it in the jars. Now it should only take 1 8-ounce jar, but it looks like there's plenty of it, so it might do 2. And then you want to put a silica gel pad to absorb the moisture. And let's go ahead and fill the other one. And again, you want to put in a silica gel pad. All right, so here you have it. It made 2 8-ounce jars plus a 6-ounce jar. Now the 6-ounce one I have is a plastic one, and generally anytime that you use essential oils, you do not want to use plastic, you want to use glass. But if you went with the original recipe and didn't add the extra lemon essential oil, you'd be able to put this in the plastic, no problem. And then that would make it safer to have in the bath. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can get notices of my future videos. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please come back and support my channel. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.